Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Ember.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw
a wolf howling at the moon.
Hope you enjoy our tutorial, and if you do, subscribe to our channel.
And if you want to receive notifications, hit the bell, and if you like us, give us a big thumbs up.
Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, and at the bottom, about here, at an angle, like this sort of angle, we're going to kind of do imagine like a slice of apple or a lemon wedge.
Okay, so
I'm going to draw a straight line like that, and then I'm going to do a curved line like that.
So it's like the bottom of a boat.
Yeah, like the bottom of a boat, that's a good description.
Here?
Yeah. Give it up a little bit because we've got to make space for the rock. Just up, about there, yeah? Okay, good. Now just see what that corner is there.
Yeah.
I'm going to do kind of like a semicircle. So I'm going to do a straight line there like that. And then I'm going to do an arch like that. And that's the ribs of the wolf, and that's the hips of the wolf.
Right here?
Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a diagonal line that way, and a diagonal line that way, like that.
So it's like he's doing the splits.
It's kind of to help us build his back legs, okay? And then where the tail is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a straight line like that, and then I'm going to do a curved line like that.
It's like a mini boat.
Like a mini boat on
another
that
mini
side,
boat.
yeah. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. So about here, I'm kind of going to do a diagonal line like that, and a diagonal line like that, and that's going to be like a letter A almost.
Without the bit going
crossbar,
across.
Yeah. Right, now see where that little point is there?
Yeah.
We're going to go up about there, like that.
Right here?
Yeah. And then I'm going to draw a triangle, so I'm going to go down like that, and down like that.
Also, see, it's
That's
like
his
pointing
nose, yeah.
his head up like to
Howl
howl
at
at the moon.
That's right, yeah. So just here on this side, I'm going to do another smaller triangle like that. And then here, I'm going to do another triangle coming up that way. Now at the moment it still doesn't look like a wolf, so we're going to add some more details into it. So, see this line here? I'm going to join a line to there, like that. And I'm going to draw a line from there to there, like that. And for the back legs, I'm going to do a line that way, and a line that way. And then see this corner, I'm going to join that up to there like that. And from this end, I'm going to do a line like that. And then see this bit here, I'm just going to do a curve to join that bit up. And then we'll see where the tummy is.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw a line like that.
Right here?
Okay. I'm just going to thicken up these lines here, like that.
I'm going to make this a bit bigger.
Don't worry, that's looking good. Right, and also we're going to give him like a bit of a shaggy fur, so I'm going to do some kind of lines like that to make him look a bit more shaggy. And I'm going to do the same where the tail is, like that.
Like his hairs are coming out, like
Yeah.
are growing thicker, so they're like coming
Yeah.
away
See
from
the
the
bit where
tail.
that tail joins? We're just going to do a line to join that up.
I'm just like making it a bit more like a manly wolf.
Manly wolf, okay. And then I'm going to draw like a wiggly line like this, which is going to be the rock that he's standing on. Okay. I'm going to do some other wiggly lines.
Like for the texture of
For
the
the
rock.
texture of the rock, exactly right. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some diagonal lines like this, which are going to give him,
Like the shadow.
yeah. So see, you leave that bit white, but
Yeah.
do the rest of it dark.
So it's like the moonlight shining on that bit.
Okay. I'm going to do the same for his hip, so do diagonal lines like this.
Sorry, I was
It's
just.
starting to look more like a wolf now, isn't it?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't pay attention to that bit
That's
because I was making that bit a
That's
bit
all right.
longer.
Looking good. You see with the tail, I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to do these diagonal lines like that. Looking good, Ember. Right, so you've drawn a bit over that way. So
Yeah.
on this side, you can put two trees, okay? But I'm going to draw a tree. So I'm going to draw a line like that. Let's do another line like that, okay? And I'm going to do two over here, different sizes, like that.
I don't have that much space
No, so just
here.
put one, yeah?
So just put one there and
Yeah,
like
so
two
one
there.
small and two big ones over here. Okay, now to do the trees, this is dead easy. Can you draw triangles?
Yeah.
So we do a triangle, like that, and then another triangle, and we work all the way down to there, okay?
I'm doing each one bigger as they go.
Yeah, as they go down, that's what I forgot to do, which is absolutely right, yeah?
And I'll just do lines coming like.
Yeah, that's good. So do that for all of the all of them. Like that. Okay, now we're going to add some texture to the trees. So what I'm going to do, when you're ready,
I'm ready now.
is we're going to do some curved lines coming out like that, like this. We'll do that on each, so that it's not so triangular, it just gives it a bit.
More texture.
Yeah, exactly right. Okay, so like curvy lines coming down.
Oh, so it's like a moustache.
Almost like a moustache, that's a really good way of describing it.
Like when you did a frog.
Yeah, like in the frog. And then we can do little bits in the corners here.
Like when I
Yeah.
did for Bristol's at
Yeah,
the bottom.
like exactly that. I'm copying you because I thought that was a good idea.
I'm nearly done. I have 4 more trees
Okay.
to go.
Okay, do you mind moving your paper up a bit so everyone can see what I'm doing? Okay. Right. And very quickly, what we can do is we can put some more texture in the trees. By doing, do you remember like how we did those diagonal lines?
Yeah.
So if I do diagonal lines that way and diagonal lines that way, inside the triangles, it's going to give it more of like a pine tree texture. Okay. The diagonal lines, so the diagonal lines should be pointing in to that central line. Okay. Right.
I'll just.
No, you're doing good. Don't worry.
Sorry.
There's no rush. Yeah. You don't have to be precise, yeah? In fact, the kind of the shaggier it is, the better.
Just to let you know, I'm not. If you hear me cough, I'm not feeling very well today.
Oh dear, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I've just got a scratchy throat.
Okay. It's that time of year, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everyone's getting little bugs. Okay, are we ready to draw the moon yet?
I'm just doing these 9s and nearly. Sorry, I'm taking so
okay.
long. I'm done.
Okay.
I'm ready to draw for
So
you
now we're going to draw the moon and we're going to draw it nice and big, okay? So I'm going to draw a big circle.
Oh, I think
in
I
a
should change
light
my
blue.
pen.
Yeah,
I'm going to change my pen quickly.
like that.
Is this good?
That looks good, yeah? Okay. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to do some of like the craters inside the moon. Okay, so I'm going to do a circle just up above the wolf's head. And a couple of straight lines coming down. And then a little line there. Little circle, sorry. And then I'm going to do a diagonal line like that. Then another diagonal line. Then another circle. Then another diagonal line. Then another circle.
A lot of circles.
Yeah, because there's a lot of craters on the moon. And then I'm going to do another circle there. And another little circle there, like that. Okay? Just to make it see that it's made out of rock and everything. And now,
It's time to colour it in.
Wow, what an amazing drawing.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you want to receive notifications, hit the bell. And if you like us, give us a big thumbs up.
Also, we'd like to announce our competition, which
is how to draw realistic animals.
just send your pictures to our Facebook page, Magic Pencil Art for Kids,
Yeah.
and the lucky winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Bye.